Propositional logic exercise. Consider the following. Proposition P. Dora is rich. Proposition Q. Jane is poor. Write each of the following statements in symbolic forms. The first statement is Dora and Jane are both rich. Dora is rich. P. Dora is rich. Q. Jane is poor. So for Jane is rich, the proposition is negation Q, the opposite of Q. Now Dora is rich is P and Jane is rich, negation Q. So Dora and Jane are both rich in symbolic form is P and negation Q. Next statement is Dora is poor and Jane is rich. Dora is rich is P, Dora is poor is negation P. And Jane is rich, Jane is poor is Q, so negation Q for Jane is rich. Therefore, the symbolic form of Dora is poor and Jane is rich is negation P and negation Q. Next statement is Dora is not rich and Jane is poor. Dora is not rich is negation P and Jane is poor is Q. Next statement is neither Dora nor Jane is poor. Neither Dora nor Jane is poor. Dora is not poor, that is Dora is rich. So P and Jane is not poor, negation Q. This is actually same as statement 1. Next statement, it is not true that Dora and Jane are both rich. It is not true, so negation, both of them are rich, that is statement 1, P and negation Q. Next statement is either Dora is poor or Jane is poor. Dora is poor, negation P, or Jane is poor, Q. The last statement is either Dora or Jane is poor. Either Dora poor means when Dora is poor, Jane is rich. So negation P and negation Q, or when Jane is poor, Dora is rich. So P and Q. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Given the following propositions, proposition P, it is rainy day. Proposition Q, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Write the statement against the following symbolic expression. Expression 1, P or Q. The statement is, it is rainy day, or the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Next expression is negation P or Q. This is not true. That it is rainy day, or temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Next expression is negation P and negation Q. The expression is, this is neither rainy day nor the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. The last expression is negation of negation P or negation Q. It is false that it is not rainy day, or the temperature is not 20 degrees Celsius. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.